Good morning and welcome to the Bosch booth at ISE. My name is Jacqueline Leiner and I'm the Regional Product Marketing Manager for portable speakers, microphone and mixers of Electro-Voice and Dynacord in EMEA. Today we are showcasing the latest and greatest product within our portable speaker lineup, our new eVolve 30M. It's the new member of the eVolve column system line. It's an elegant, compact, tiny footprint, 10-inch subwoofer, a 2.8-inch neodymium drivers with a waveguide design in combination with a line array construction for an ultra-wide coverage of 120 degrees in the horizontal and 40 degrees in the vertical. It's targeted to musicians with a fully integrated digital 8-channel mixer, on-byte studio quality effects, both designed by our sibling brand Dynacord. You also have a possibility to maintain the complete mixer functionalities with an intuitive Quick Smart mobile app, which you can see here next to me. And yeah, it's the best combination of performance and versatility. eVolve 30M offers the most complete feature set in its class. And if you want to find out more, then please check out our webpage.